Hey everybody, Bruce here with Shopping with Bruce. I have an update on the Nieuw Amsterdam cruise ship. She had to cancel her cruise last week, but she's back in business this week. Thanks for subscribing to my channel and giving my video updates thumbs up, so I really appreciate it. Here's the story. The Nieuw Amsterdam last week, December the 14th, 2019, had to cancel her cruise to the Caribbean. She couldn't get out of Port Everglades, which is Fort Lauderdale, and passengers were given a full refund and a 100% cruise credit towards a future cruise. Azipod problems prevented the ship from leaving port with all of her passengers. She ended up in Grand Bahamas. She's now in the dry dock area at the shipbuilding yard in Freeport, and she is getting her azipod repaired here. She arrived yesterday, the 17th of December. She'll probably be out of here today or tomorrow, and she will make it back to Fort Lauderdale to start her December 21 cruise. So all passengers on this Saturday's cruise have been notified. We'll be there. Come on down, and the ship will be waiting for you. We'll have a great time. So this is good news. Holland America also donated a bunch of food from last week's cruise to the local food bank. Another smart move by the company, great PR move, and they're ready to take passengers on this week. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Have a good one. We'll see you later, everybody. Bye for now.